another day.
Another tripping.
So for today's vlog, we're going to Calatagan for
Side tripping.
side tripping. So we have a fun fact, guys. What is it, Papa?
Alam nyo ba na the reason why lagi kaming walang service is kami ang team biglaan.
Yeah, we always do the on the day tripping. Kaya most of the time, guys, nakikita nyo kami nagmumotor lang kasi we don't have a four-wheel vehicle and we don't have a service kasi nga team biglaan kaming dalawa. Yeah. So for now, we're heading to the office, guys. So actually, yung office ay malapit lang sa amin, walking distance lang. So tara, punta tayo sa office. Here's the office na, guys. This is Sir To. So we're here at the office. I'm with Sir To. Kalaban namin yan, guys. Huwag kayo mag-inquire dyan. Aray ko! Tinasaktan ako, tita, oh. Nagbablog ako.
imitasyon di.
This is Tita Mary. One of the cutest and the bravest. Bravest? Beautiful. Beautiful of them all.
Oh my God! Wow!
Siya ang bukod
Most beautiful in sales division.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Ano yung upline ko? Magreklamo yun.
Nice.
So, so guys, walang kukontra, tita. Ikaw ang pinakamaganda. Okay! So, we're on our way na, guys, going to Calatagan to meet our client. And we are with Mia. Hi, Mia. And our pilot for today is Kuya Rex. And we are here at Nasugbu na. So, tara, guys. Kitain natin yung client. And my papa is busy chatting. So, dumating na kami sa property, guys. And nag-start na ako tripping ang client. And exact time at 2 p.m. I'm here discussing the property's details. And as you can see, it's so hot. That's why we have umbrella in us. Well, English speaking yan.
Meanwhile, kami ni Mia ngayon dito sa Elijah Seabreeze 5. Dito kami ngayon sa Yanis Resort. Well, shout out sa inyo mga guys. Tripping si Mia na naman. Punta kami guys. Dito kami sa Sampaloc ni Mia, guys.
At dahil topak na si Mia, guys, ito na ang property details. Itong property na to is located at Calatagan, Batangas, near Little Boracay. So 5 minutes walk lang yung access going to beach area. Minimum cut dito is 100 square meter. Price starts at 6,000 per square meter. Pwede to, guys, ng installment. And kung may cash ka naman, nagbibigay sila ng discount. Kaya kung interesado ka at gusto mo ding magpa-tripping katulad nila, message mo na ako. Click mo yan, yung message button na yan. Tutulungan kita mahanap ang property na gusto mo.